Hi there. My name is Troy Cornowit. Today we are going to talk about how to use a servo tester to test servos before you put them in the airplane. Now this very simple servo tester, I think it cost me like $5. It is very cheap, and what it does is it has a dial on it. It has an output, and it has several outputs, so you can do more than one servo. Then you have the power come in, so you have to power it up with 4 AA's, an iCAD, whatever you got. Then the output goes into the servo. And if you turn the dial, you can see the servo move. Now this is a brand new servo, so it has absolutely no problems. Now normally you would just take a brand new servo, install it in the airplane and go. But if you have an older servo, you might want to test it. Okay, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's making a little bit of a humming noise. Well, check that out. So that's a reason why you'd want to test. So at this end of the range it's fine, but I get up into here, so this servo is going to be pitched, so it's got a problem inside. So that's how you use a servo tester.